John Deere, one of the most respected names in the agricultural industry, has built a decades-long reputation for innovation and reliability. However, in recent years, the agricultural equipment giant has faced intense criticism from the very farmers who helped it thrive. At the heart of the issue is the right to repair debate, a national controversy that has brought to light the frustrations of thousands of American farmers. For decades, farmers relied on John Deere machines to cultivate their land, boost productivity, and sustain their livelihoods. However, as agricultural equipment became more technologically advanced, these vehicles turned into highly sophisticated machines equipped with cutting-edge software. Initially, this progress seemed like a welcome development. But there was a catch. John Deere began restricting access to the software and tools necessary to repair their equipment. This meant farmers were forced to take their machines to John Deere-authorized dealerships for any repairs, no matter how minor, resulting in exorbitant costs and harmful delays during crucial planting and harvesting seasons. The repair restrictions didn't just hurt farmers' wallets, they also undermined their autonomy. Many expressed outrage upon realizing that, despite owning the machines outright, they didn't truly control them. In practice, John Deere's software turned farmers into hostages of a maintenance network monopolized by the company. This sense of betrayal grew among farmers, who found themselves with no options for equipment that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars but could be rendered inoperable by a simple electronic glitch. This frustration, amplified by pro-right to repair movements, caught the attention of politicians in Washington. Among them was former President Donald Trump, who saw an opportunity to align himself with a key voter base, farmers in the agricultural heartland of the United States. During his administration, Trump promised to crack down on monopolistic practices that harmed rural workers. His administration pressured companies like John Deere to reconsider their policies, threatening stricter regulations if they didn't comply. Trump's efforts led to tangible results, such as the inclusion of the right to repair debate in both state and federal legislation. The mounting pressure also resulted in legal settlements and policy adjustments by John Deere, which announced measures to provide tools and software that would allow farmers to perform basic repairs on their own. However, for many, this was seen as a belated and incomplete victory. They argued that John Deere only relented after waves of criticism and legal actions, rather than showing genuine commitment to the farmers who sustain its business. This conflict's impact extends beyond the fields. It highlights broader issues surrounding digital ownership, corporate monopolies, and the effects of modern technology on workers' lives. What do you think? Drop your comments below, hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of automobiles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.